Everyone has app preferences when it comes to their computer. With a wide range of apps out there with different strengths and weaknesses, sometimes you may want to switch what apps your computer defaults to. Luckily, Windows makes this process easy without stopping your productivity. To start, hit the search icon on your taskbar and type in Default Apps. From here, you have options for what you want to change. You can change a wide variety of defaults, from preferred browsers to PDF readers, and even your computer's clock. For example, let's see just how easy it is to change your default browser. Scroll down until you see the icon and name of your current default browser. Click the button and you will see a list of default file types with the current default browser under them. From here, you can make specific selections about what browser you should open and which file type. You can either mix and match or select one consistent browser for each link. The first time you see a new browser, it will often ask you if you would like to make it your default browser. This selection should be available at the top of this page. All you need to do is select the button that reads Set Default, and those are the basics of setting defaults on a Windows computer. Make sure to save yourself some time by fine-tuning your computer experience to your favorite apps.